Greetings, finance enthusiasts. Welcome to the Smart Dollar Resource channel. We appreciate your time and your curiosity. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to join our community of knowledge seekers. Today, we're venturing into the world of Charlie Munger, The Complete Investor by Tren Griffin. We've got a treasure trove of resources linked in the description box, so don't miss out on those. Are you ready to dive into the world of Charlie Munger? Let's get started. Today, we're exploring Charlie Munger, The Complete Investor by Tren Griffin, a comprehensive guide to understanding Munger's investment strategies. This book is a treasure trove of insightful wisdom and practical advice from one of the world's most successful investors. Author Tren Griffin distills Munger's decades of experience into a clear and concise narrative, presenting the reader with a unique opportunity to learn from the best. The book delves into Munger's philosophy of value investing, a strategy that emphasizes buying stocks at less than their intrinsic value. Munger, a proponent of the buy and hold approach, encourages investors to be patient, avoiding the temptation to chase short-term gains. The book further explores Munger's belief in the importance of discipline, both in terms of resisting the allure of quick profits and maintaining a consistent investment strategy. Griffin underlines Munger's conviction that discipline is a key component of successful investing, referencing his famous quote, "The big money is not in the buying and selling, but in the waiting." Another cornerstone of Munger's philosophy highlighted in the book is the emphasis on long-term thinking. Griffin explains how Munger advocates for investing with a long-term horizon, focusing on companies with sustainable competitive advantages and strong future prospects. The book also delves into the importance of understanding the businesses you invest in, a principle Munger refers to as circle of competence. Griffin illustrates how Munger advises investors to stick to industries and companies they understand, thereby reducing the risk of making uninformed investment decisions. Lastly, Griffin sheds light on Munger's belief in the power of continuous learning. Munger, a voracious reader, encourages investors to constantly broaden their knowledge base, not only about investing, but about the world at large. This book indeed offers a deep dive into the mind of a genius investor. It's a must-read for anyone looking to understand the principles that guided Munger's investment decisions and how they can be applied to their own financial journey. Opening. As with any investment approach, Munger's strategies have their strengths and weaknesses. Let's delve into the advantages first. One of the most significant strengths of Munger's investment approach is its long-term focus. This strategy encourages investors to think beyond immediate gains and look towards sustainable growth over time. It's not about quick wins. It's about building a sturdy financial future. Another pro is Munger's emphasis on value. He advocates for investing in companies that offer intrinsic value, those with solid fundamentals, strong management teams, and a competitive edge in their industry. This approach helps to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Moreover, Munger's strategy is grounded in thorough research and analysis. It's not about following trends or jumping on the latest hot stock. It's about understanding the business, its market, and its potential for growth. This rigorous research can lead to more informed and confident investment decisions. But, as with all things, there are some cons to consider. One of the main challenges of Munger's investment approach is the need for significant patience. The rewards of this strategy are typically reaped over an extended period, which can test the resolve of those seeking quick returns. In addition, Munger's strategy requires a high level of discipline. It's about sticking to your investment principles, even in the face of market volatility. This can be tough, especially when other investors are making seemingly lucrative short-term gains. Another potential downside is that this approach may not be suitable for all types of investors. For instance, those with a higher risk tolerance who prefer more aggressive strategies may find Munger's conservative, value-focused approach less appealing. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that Munger's strategy relies heavily on the ability to accurately assess a company's intrinsic value. This requires a deep understanding of financial analysis, which may be a hurdle for novice investors. Closing. Understanding these strengths and weaknesses is key to making the most of Munger's strategies. So, before diving in, consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment style. Is Munger's approach right for you? Only you can make that call. Griffin's book is a treasure trove of wisdom. Here are 5 key lessons that we can draw from it. Firstly, the book emphasizes the importance of staying within one's circle of competence. Munger's philosophy is that investors should focus on industries and companies they thoroughly understand. By sticking to what you know, you reduce the risk of making uninformed decisions. This doesn't mean you should never venture outside your comfort zone, but it serves as a reminder that knowledge is power when it comes to investing. The second lesson is about the value of patience. In the world of investing, timing is everything. Munger argues that great opportunities don't come along every day, so it's crucial to wait for the right one. This may mean sitting on the sidelines while others jump at every opportunity, but in the long run, patience can pay off in a big way. The third lesson revolves around the necessity of discipline. Investing requires a disciplined approach to buying, holding, and selling stocks. It's easy to let emotions take over, especially in volatile markets, but Munger advises against this. He advocates a methodical, analytical strategy that relies on facts, not feelings. A fourth lesson from the book is the concept of invert, always invert. This is a problem-solving approach that Munger swears by. Instead of focusing on what you need to do to achieve success, consider what you must avoid to prevent failure. In the context of investing, this means thinking about what could go wrong with a potential investment and taking steps to mitigate those risks. Finally, the book teaches us about the importance of continuous learning. Munger is a voracious reader and a lifelong learner. He believes that the more you learn, the better your decisions will be. This is particularly true in investing, where the landscape is constantly changing. By staying curious and committed to learning, you can stay ahead of the curve. These lessons provide a roadmap for anyone looking to emulate Munger's successful investment approach. We've covered a lot today, but remember, knowledge is power. We delved deep into Charlie Munger, The Complete Investor by Tren Griffin, exploring the essence of the book and how it serves as a comprehensive guide to understanding and implementing Munger's investment philosophy. We outlined the pros and cons, providing a balanced view, and highlighted that while Munger's approach might not be a quick route to riches, it's a proven method for long-term wealth creation. We also dissected the book into 5 key lessons, each one a valuable nugget of wisdom from one of the world's most successful investors. Through this exploration, we've seen how Charlie Munger, The Complete Investor, demystifies the world of investing and presents a clear path to financial success. It's about more than just making money. It's about understanding the principles of good investing, the importance of patience, and the value of continuous learning. And remember, everyone starts somewhere. Whether you're new to the investing world or an old hand looking for a fresh perspective, this book has something to offer. It's all about taking that first step, and then the next, on your journey to financial independence. Now, let's talk about a fantastic opportunity. In the description box, you'll find a link to the broker app, MooMoo. Sign up today, and you could potentially win an Apple stock, currently valued up to $190, depending on the current market price. Plus, you could receive up to 10 free shares. It's a chance not to be missed. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Charlie Munger, The Complete Investor. Your time, your attention, and your willingness to learn are truly appreciated. So what did you think of the book? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts on the book. Your feedback helps us create content that serves you better. So until next time, keep investing and keep learning.